Welcome back. If you're new or if you're not, good morning. I'm Kiana and this is my 6 a.m. morning routine. It's actually really important to me to have a very strict morning routine because there are certain things I like to have done before I start any work. So my alarm rings at 6 a.m. every day during the week, but I typically spend about 10 to 15 minutes just trying to actually wake myself up. And I start every morning by just taking a sip of water just to get everything going. And I need to start every morning by writing in my journal. And I just use prompts that I found on Pinterest. So every day is a different set of questions. But the first two things I list every day are two things I'm grateful for and two things I want to do that day. I find that expressing gratitude and setting intentions starts my day on a high note. Once I'm done journaling, I'll typically read a couple chapters of whatever book I'm reading. Here I'm reading The Girls in the Garden by Lisa Jewell, who is an incredible author, but let me know what other books I should read after this one. And at 7 a.m. I actually get out and make my bed because it's just nice to have it nicely made at the end of the day. Then I'll head into the bathroom to brush my hair, brush my teeth, and wash my face with just water. I don't use any cleanser right when I wake up just because I like to do that after I work out. And if you're wondering where my matching lounge set is from, it's from H&M. It's super cute and super cozy. And I'm the type of person to work out in the mornings over the night, so I pick out my workout clothes for the day. And I head into the kitchen to fill up my tumbler with water, and as a pre-workout snack, I always eat a banana because it's just easy, and in the mornings, easy is exactly what I need. Fun fact, I'm not sure if a lot of people know this, but you're actually not supposed to peel your banana from the stem. You're actually supposed to peel it from the other end because that's apparently what monkeys do. And at 7:30 is when I actually start working out, and my typical workout routine is to follow a Sydney Cummings workout video. And then on Thursdays and Fridays, I'll add in a walk or a run on the treadmill just to get in more cardio for the week. When I finish my workout, it's around 8 o'clock, so I typically take a quick shower and do my morning skincare routine, which I've really simplified over the years. Just as I've gotten older, I don't want to have so many products on my skin. And if I'm feeling it, I'll put on a bit of makeup. I actually filmed my updated everyday makeup routine, which will be going live next week, so look out for that. It's super easy and super quick. But by far, my least favorite part of my morning routine is cleaning my helix piercing that I got back in August. It's just a pain and I can't wait for it to heal. I actually don't do anything without putting on jewelry because it just completes my aesthetic, you know? Then I start making breakfast, but can we just take in how much I struggle to open this bag? You know when your family just like tightens the bread bag so hard? Like, please, I was struggling. So while my bagel is toasting, I actually make myself a coffee, and lately I've been keeping it super easy with either a hot black coffee or an iced coffee with milk, and today I decided to froth my milk. But the key to making iced coffee in the morning is actually to get the Starbucks pre-iced coffee, I guess. I get the medium roast. They also have a blonde roast, but it's just not as good as the medium in my opinion. And obviously, avocado toast is the go-to breakfast, but something I've been doing lately is actually adding a thin layer of cream cheese before the avocado. I saw Alana Bloomberg doing it, so here I am adding herb and garlic cream cheese, which is by far the best cream cheese to ever exist, by the way. Once I have the thin layer of cream cheese, I just go ahead and slice my avocado, but actually here at one point, I think I almost sliced my finger. Oh, yep, there it is. And then I just do the usual avocado seasonings, topped with a balsamic glaze and hot sauce, obviously. And by now, it's usually close to 8:30, and most of my classes this semester start at 8:30, so I rush up to my office where I eat my breakfast and attempt to pay attention to whatever class I have going on that day. Clearly, I am very attentive and very interested. But that was my 6 a.m. morning routine. It's pretty jam-packed, but it starts me off on the right foot for the rest of the day. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and follow me on all my socials. See you guys next Thursday for another new video. Bye!
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?